I think social connections is a great way to combat all of this. So if our brains are biologically wired to regulate stress through the social engagement system, is the modern solo entrepreneur lifestyle actually a form of biological warfare against ourselves? So it's isolating yourself for the sake of building something for yourself, abandoning the social engagement system, that way of helping to regulate one's stress.
It's an interesting idea.
I agree and disagree, because I think when you start to get business involved with personal development, that's where it can get a little bit great. If you're the solo entrepreneur and you want to spend time developing a business, cool. But if you then lock yourself in the room and you don't then engage with people outside, you don't go for food, coffee, walks, get any nature, and just interact with humans on a human level, even if it's going to a workout class, you do some Pilates or whatever it is.
Do you do a lot of Pilates?
I do, yeah. It's very difficult. I've never once done Pilates. But you get the point of making. You can go to a CrossFit gym, go to a High Rocks class, as long as you're getting some sort of social interaction. So that's why I think the area is a little grey. But I think it's a case of trying to find a growth tribe.
Find the others.
Find the others.
It's a Chris Williamson quote. There are loads of people like you. Just where are you looking? What are you actively doing to find the others? Are you doing anything? Maybe not, because it is easy. Like the person Connor just described is me.
Yeah.
Lock myself in this room and make videos and edit, and my girlfriend works 14-hour days at her job, so I can just do that for 14 hours. I'm lucky because I've got a girlfriend and I at least get some social interaction right at the end of the day. But I wake up and she's gone, and I just work. I'm locked in. I don't eat. I drink loads of coffee, and that's just my life. So that's actually, funnily enough, one of the reasons why I was motivated to start this podcast. Is I was like, well, I can make money by making videos and have social interaction at the same time. Like, this is
But the irony is now is that I'm pulling you out of that, and you're coming for walks with me, you're going for coffee, we're going for meals, like we're going to the gym. So yeah. I'm making you break those habits because I see the benefits of social interaction and sunlight and nature.
Yeah. Even this morning.
I can't believe that. You told me you went out for a walk first thing.
I went out for
Blew my mind, dude.
Yeah. I said to myself, it'll only be 10 minutes, the walk. I'll wait until 5 minutes, I'll turn around and go back. And I got like to where it'd be like where I thought 10 or 5 minutes would be to turn around, and I'd already been walking like 12 and a half minutes. So I was like, I'll just turn around and come back. But it was really good,
Sets your day up well, doesn't it?
Yeah. I say it's cold out and frosty.
That's why I need to move to Australia with me. Or move to Bali with me.
I'd love to move to Australia. Just be so good. I'd get so much done. But yeah, interesting one.
That's right. I'll just pod that bear whenever I need to.
Yeah. Well, you don't need to prod me. I'm willing to go. You need to prod my girlfriend. Like, right, Oz, let's go.
Not prodding your girlfriend.
No, it's good fun. She loves it. Stop it! That's how she sounds, by the way, for anyone who hasn't heard her voice.
Sounds like one of those wind-up tours. Stop it! Stop it! Yeah, but so community can accelerate growth, because growth isn't an insight, it's mirroring. If you are with someone or a community or a tribe that is also invested in their personal development, business development, you're going to adopt that mindset as well. And you've got two choices. You can either be left behind or you can rise to the challenge. We change faster when we're witnessed as well. So we need to be held accountable as well by real humans, which is awesome because, like you said, it can be business based. You need to find your tribe of business creators, solo entrepreneurs that you can surround yourself with that are also working hard, and you'll either get left behind as they grow or you'll grow with them. Personal development is exactly the same. You can go out and interact with these people that are regularly going to run clubs or going to the gym, that are regularly pursuing a passion that they enjoy, that are regularly going to therapy or counseling or meditation circles, whatever it might be. You either join them or get left behind. So it will accelerate your growth. So there's definitely a rise of the growth tribes coming out. So they're intentional communities that are being built around values, honesty, and shared responsibility. So the future isn't interdependence, it's interdependence. What? Ignore that, you can cut that out. Because that makes no sense. Yeah, the future is there for people that are ready to interact with others and grow together. So, question for others and question for you, Will, as well.